Everyone, welcome back to my tutorial. Our topic is transient method, and this is the given. I1 equals 1 ampere, R1 equals 2 ohms, R2 equals 5 ohms, R3 equals 10 ohms, resistant load equals 4 ohms, and voltage 12 volt and 24 volts. In case 1, we need to close the source volts and open the current. To get the R total, there is the formula. 1 over R2 plus 1 over R3 plus 1 over RL exponential negative 1, and substitute the number 1 over 5 plus 1 over 10 plus 1 over 4 exponential negative 1. And the R total is 2.22 ohms. To get the R1 total, we need to plus the R1 plus R total and substitute 2 plus 2.22 equals 4.22 ohms. To get the total voltage, the formula is I1 times R total, and substitute the I1 to 1 ampere and R total to 2.22 ohms, and the answer is 2.22 volts. And next, to get the I2 or current, the formula is voltage total over R2. Then substitute the number 2.22 over 5 equals 0.44 amperes. And to get the I3, and the formula is voltage total over R3. Then substitute 2.22 over 10. The answer is 0.22 ampere. And last, the IL equals V total over RL, and substitute 2.22 over 4. The answer is 0.55 amperes. Next, case 2. We need to close the current and open 1 volt source. To get the R3 load, the formula is 1 over R3 plus 1 over RL exponential negative 1. Then substitute the number 1 over 10 plus 1 over 4 exponential 2. The answer is 2.86 ohms. And the R total equals 1 over R2 plus 1 over R3 load. Then substitute 1 over 5 plus 1 over 2.86 equals 1.82 ohms. And next, to get the IV sub 1, the formula is V sub 1 over R total. Then substitute the V sub 1 and R total. 12 over 1.82 equals 3.3 ampere. Next, the I2. I sub V1 times R3L over R2 plus R3L. Then substitute the number 3.3 times 2.86 over 5 plus 2.86 equals 1.98 ampere. And to get the I3 load, the formula is IV1 minus I2. Then substitute the number 3.3 minus 1.98 equals 1.32 ampere. Next, the I3 load times RL over R3 plus RL. Then substitute 1.32 times 4 over 10 plus 4 equals 0.38 ampere. Last, the I load. I3L times R3 plus over R3 plus RL. Then substitute 1.32 times 10 over 10 plus 4 equals 0.94 ampere. Next, the case 3, the last case. We need to close the 12 volts and open 24 volts. To get the R3L, the formula is 1 over R3 plus 1 over RL, exponential negative 1. Then substitute the number 1 over 10 plus 1 over 4 exponential negative 1. The answer is 20 over 7 volts. The R total was R2 plus R3L. Then substitute 5 plus 20 over 7 equals 55 over 7. And to get the IV2, the formula is V2 over R total. Then substitute 24 over 55 over 7 equals 3.05 ampere. Then the final answer is I2 equals IV2 equals 3.05 ampere and I3 equals 3.05 ampere. And that's all. Thank you.
खत्म। बाय बाय, टाटा, गुड बाय।